Okay. Our next topic is the ethnomedicinal importance of the Asteraceae family. As you know, we are covering each and every family from the UPSC mains examination point of view for its ethnomedicinal importance. And now, this time, we are going to consider the Asteraceae plant family. Now, consider this is your syllabus. We are dealing with the paper number 1 and the chapter number 4, that is plant resource development. And we are here at the importance of ethnobotany from the Indian context. Okay. So, why we are doing this? Because of this question which was asked in the UPSC mains examination of 2020. Okay, Indian Civil Service. Here you have to give the ethnomedicinal importance of the three members of the family Solanaceae and the APSC. Next time UPSC can replace these two families with the other two families. Okay, so we have to cover each and every plant family which is there in the UPSC mains syllabus. Okay, so this time we are talking about the Asteraceae family. And every time, this time we are also considering the three plants which belongs to the Asteraceae plant family, which shows the ethnomedicinal value. Okay, we will keep this video very short. Okay, so that you will have the specific knowledge regarding the topic, and it should not also waste your time. Right, the very first plant which belongs to the Asteraceae plant family, which shows the ethnomedicinal value, is the Chrysanthemum coronarium. Okay, carefully write down the name Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum. This is the name of the genus, and the name of the species is the coronarium. Okay, carefully write it down and underline it as it is a botanical name. Okay, Chrysanthemum coronarium. This is the name of the species which shows the ethnomedicinal value, and we are going to use its leaves. Okay, and out of the leaves, what they create? They create the juice. The local people create the juice out of these leaves, and it is this particular juice is used to apply it on the external skin. Okay, external use is there. Externally, this particular juice is applied on the skin. Okay, in case of the burning. Okay, in case of burning, if the skin is got burned, in such a case, the externally this juice is used to treat that particular kind of a medical situation. So here we have the first plant which belongs to the Asteraceae, which is called Chrysanthemum coronarium. Its leaf is used as a juice, and for which purpose we are using this juice? For externally applying on the skin whenever there is a burning situation. Okay, so second plant we have in the Asteraceae plant family is the Artemisia. Okay, it's a famous genus, right? Artemisia, and the name of the species is Absinithum. Okay, carefully write it down, Absinithum. So Artemisia, it's a genus name, and Absinithum, this is the species name. And which part we are going to use it? The whole plant. Okay, whole plant of the Artemisia is used here to create a one particular kind of a paste. And what is the application of this paste? This particular paste is act as an antiseptic. Okay, how this act as it acts as an antiseptic against the many germs. Plus, it is also used as a detergent agent in the skin problems. Okay, it acts like a detergent agent in case of the skin problems. Okay, whatever the skin problems are there, to wash out that particular thing, or to clear the infection, these particular paste is act as antiseptic or the detergent agent. Okay, so if you observe carefully, in case of the Asteraceae family, we have seen both of these uses. Both are related with the skin condition. Okay, whether it is antiseptic use, whether it is a detergent use, or whether it is going to apply externally on the skin, every time we are clearing the skin, whether it is burned by the any type of the burning problems, or if it has some kind of a cut, it can also be used as a antiseptic. Okay, now consider the third plant which belongs to the Asteraceae family, which shows the ethnomedicinal importance, is the Helianthus anus, the very common plant, right? Helianthus anus, this is the textbook example, right? Carefully write down the name. Helianthus is the genus name, and the species name is the anus. And which part we are going to use it? The young leaves. Okay, the young leaves are used to create the very specific kind of a bandages. Okay, again, it is relating with the skin. The bandages are created for the different types of the wounds out of these young leaves. So again, we have the third plant here which is showing the application relating with the skin. So here you should understand carefully that whenever we talk about the Asteraceae family, this shows their great application in treating the skin, different types of the skin condition, whether it is the skin burning, or whether it is the skin cut, or whether we want to cover that skin cut with the bandages. All of these ethnomedicinal applications belongs to the Asteraceae plant family. This will really help you to remember this particular kind of application when we talk about the ethnomedicinal value of a different plant families, right? So here we have the three plants. The very first, the Chrysanthemum coronarium, second Artemisia absinthium, and third one is the Helianthus anus. And its different parts are used to treat the very specific kinds of the skin conditions. Whenever there is a problem, when we talk about the skin, okay, when we have any medical problem relating with the skin, there is a ethnomedicinal applications of these members of which belongs to the Asteraceae plant family. All right.